Looking to start investing, but not sure which platform to trust in 2025? Whether you're a complete beginner or already growing your portfolio, this video breaks down the best platforms, with real pros, cons, and tips. Oh, and stick around, because I'll also show you the one I personally use, with a bonus if you sign up through my link. Why does platform choice matter? Your platform is your gateway to the market. Fees, usability, regulation, and available assets matter more than most people think. You don't want to lose money to hidden costs or shady platforms. First up, for crypto investors in Europe, especially the Netherlands, Bitvavo is hard to beat. Pros are very low fees, 0.25% max, often lower. Intuitive and beginner-friendly interface. Regulated in the EU. Earn passive rewards, staking, on certain coins. Cons are only crypto, no stocks, ETFs. Limited advanced tools for pro traders. Personally, I use Bitvavo for my crypto investments. If you sign up using my link in the description, you get your first 10,000 euros in trades fee-free, and it helps the channel at no extra cost to you. Next up, eToro. Pros are you can trade stocks, crypto, ETFs, and commodities. Copy other traders. There is no commission on stocks. It is available in many countries. Cons are spreads can be wide. Withdrawal fees. Not ideal for long-term investing, more for active users. Next up, DEGIRO. Pros are you can't trade crypto. The interface is not very beginner-friendly. No fractional shares. Next up, Trade Republic. Pros are €1 ETF saving plans. Fractional shares available. Clean mobile app. Commission-free investing. Cons are still expanding features. Less suited for advanced traders. Based in Germany, good for the EU, but not worldwide. Last up, Revolut, Bucks and Robinhood. Good for beginners who want everything in one app. Easy entry into investing. Often more expensive or limited long-term. But how do you choose the right platform for you? Here are 3 questions you should ask yourself. 1. What do you want to invest in? Crypto, stocks, ETFs? 2. Are you an active or passive investor? 3. Do you value ease of use or more control? My advice? Use Bitvavo for crypto and DEGIRO or Trade Republic for ETFs or stocks. That combo covers 90% of what you need. Whichever platform you go with, the most important step is to actually get started. If you want to support this channel and get up to 10,000 euros fee-free on Bitvavo, use my referral link in the description. Let me know in the comments which platform you use, or if you want a tutorial on setting one up. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you want more beginner-friendly money content. See you in the next one.